Welcome to Skybroking Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult your financial advisor. Major data of this week has inflation and economic related data, and the major event is the US Fed Chairman Mr. Powell testifies on Wednesday and Thursday. Now let's see the precious metals outlook. Gold and silver has news like gold was already starting to see the central bank demand improve. And if ETF demand turns positive again, bullion bulls could become more aggressive with their bets. Precious metals on Friday was fueled by a weaker dollar. Both the US currency and yields work in contrary mode to the precious metals. Fundamentally, this is a positive news for precious metals, and technically speaking, last week we mentioned gold will expect a short covering rally, and that had exactly happened. This week, gold may expect a high volatility trade, and any drop may be seen to utilize a buying opportunity. Silver also may expect a high volatility trade, and any drop may be seen to utilize a buying opportunity. These are the major precious metals outlook. Now let's see the energy outlook. First is crude oil. It has a news like crude oil prices climbed higher on Friday, helped by the signs of the strong demand in the world's largest consumer, even amid the concerns about the spread of the Delta variant of the COVID-19 virus. Fundamentally, this is a mixed news for crude oil, and technically speaking, until crude oil breaks above 5733, it may expect it to drop up to 5271 levels. Next is natural gas. It has a news like the share of gas-on-gas pricing in the global market rose by 1 percentage point in 2020 to reach 49.3% according to the latest pricing survey by the International Gas Union published on July 8. Fundamentally, this is a positive news for natural gas, and technically speaking, natural gas may expect a momentum trade. These are the major energy outlook. Now let's see the base metals outlook. First is copper. It has a news like global demand of base metal prices upbeat after the PBOC reserve requirement ratio is cut. This is fundamentally a positive news for copper, and technically speaking, copper may expect a profit booking until close above 742 levels. Next is aluminum. It has a news like aluminum stocks continue to fall. This is fundamentally a positive news for aluminum, and technically speaking, aluminum may expect a profit booking rally until close above 200 ranges. Next is lead. It has a news like the supply of lead concentrate and lead acid battery scrap remained tight, and TCs continue to drop in July. Cost support of lead prices kept rising. Spot market was dominated by the wait-and-see mode amid sluggish trade, as downstream users were reluctant to purchase at high prices. This is fundamentally a mixed news for lead, and technically speaking, lead may expect a mixed trade. Next is zinc. It has a news like China's manufacturing industry PMI in June was higher than expected, indicating that the manufacturing industry was expanding. This is fundamentally a positive news for zinc, and technically speaking, zinc may expect a profit booking on higher levels. Next is nickel. It has a news like improving prospects for stainless steel and nickel markets. Nickel hits 4 months high. This is fundamentally a positive news for nickel, and technically speaking, nickel may expect a positive rally up to 1418.2 ranges, and from there, profit booking is expected up to 1265 levels by positionally. These are the major base metals outlook. Now let's see the Nifty and Bank Nifty outlook. Nifty remains in a range bound trade in between 15610 to 15960 levels, and positionally, if Nifty closes above 15970, then see positional resistance of 16119, and for downside, if it closes below 15610, then further supports are 15427 and 15183 levels. Bank Nifty remains in a range bound trade in between 34859 to to 35880 levels, and if Bank Nifty closes below 34859 means profit booking may continue up to 34121 levels. For more profits, visit our website www.skycommodities.com. Thank you by Sky Broking.